Today, I want to talk about two articles. What is the topic or is brain-computer interface? And in the two articles, there were two experiments in each article. It's about the parameters of the BCI. Let me share the screen at first. The first article is named "What is it's like to use PCI inserts from an interview style with brain-computer interface users." Uh, it is it's an article that they show a social qualitative interview with a few participants who have some neuromuscular issues. In this experiment, this participant have some experience in using the PCI system. Although they have different kinds of PCI. The most of participants are use a PCI system is a motor imagery, which is also called MIBCI. So next, let us see there are four kind of mainly parameters of the PCI system. The first is the P300 under motor imagery, which also called MIPCI. And the third one is C-state visually evoked potential. And the finally is hybrid parameters. It's also interesting point is that in the first article, it's a show idea about the PCI always used in medical and their commercial aims. For the medical for the medical aims is used in the post-shock rehabilitation, disease detection, emotion recognition, quadcopter control. And for the commercial aim is special for some like teenager. It will be designed some application in the video games. But they have the similar use principles that people will use the EEG, the measure tools of EEG, to recording their brain activities and output the signals into the computer, and then the computer will transfer the signals into some electric machines to help people do their intentional activities. And the second article is about the name is P300 based brain-computer interface for improved attention. The mainly objective of this experiment is improve the person's attentions. There are two tests in this experiment. This first part is like practical exercise. People will see a lot of points that move to the different location. People need to make choice about what's the main location about the measure of the points move to, and this is the exercise about practical self attention. And the third part is in the sixth part, participant will be contribute the two groups is control groups and experiment groups. In the difference between the two groups is if people will have some feedback from they do the first times of the test, and the test in the test people will see six multiply six table. There were a few there will show 26 characters, and the people needed to choose use their eyes to add attention the characters, which is throwing some words that show the top of the tables. People use it's like some measure tools like EEG to output the brain signals that that about what that about what their eyes is attention to the characters, and then the computer will show what's the character that the attention by check some their eye movement or brain signals. And then the result is that participant who has the feedback about what the results they or the what's the results they doing this test or how to improve the character, they will have the more the high occurrence about the test in the second test. They will improve their accuracy in the second part. Next is that's all. It's about the topics.